How to basic drill sharpening on a bench grinder. This video shows how to sharpen a drill bit to razor sharpness. So, you have a drill bit that needs sharpening in a bench grinder. Turn on the bench grinder. First, we will show you how to sharpen a small drill bit with a diameter of less than 3 millimeters. Sharpening in two planes. The drill bit is positioned relative to the plane of the grinding wheel at an angle of 26 to 32 degrees. The angle of the drill bit relative to the horizontal plane is from 163 to 173 degrees. The drill bit is sharpened. The sharpening plane is at an angle of 7 to 17 degrees relative to the cutting edge. The angle between the cutting edges should be between 116 and 128 degrees. Now sharpen the drill bit with 4 planes. This type of sharpening is recommended for drill bits with a diameter greater than 3 millimeters. The cutting plane at the rear of the sharpened drill bit is slightly ground down. The angles between the sharpening planes are shown in the video. And also conical sharpening. In this case, the rear part of the sharpening plane is slightly smoothed on a drill sharpened with 2 planes. This is shown in the video graphic. As you can see, it's not complicated. Everything is easy and simple.